Like I said, I'm going to show you how you can get to our research resources on the library website. So once you're on the Lakeside Junior High website, you'll come over here to the tab that says Students. And then if you scroll down, you'll see where it says Library Service Center. So I'll click. And then once you're on the Library Media Services page, then you'll need to come up underneath Student Resources and click there. And on this page, underneath the videos, we're going to go down to the second set of red buttons here. We're going to click on the one that says Research Resource. Once you click there, you'll get onto this page that's a blue, and it's linked up to a whole bunch of websites that are good sites to go to for research. So one we're going to use is called Proquest, where it says PQ on there. Once I'm on this page, then I'm going to click on Research Topics. And since I'm focusing on careers, I'm going to click on Careers. But you can see there are some other topics and areas if you're doing research in our classes. So I'll click on Careers. And then it's going to pull up my careers listed across the top here in different categories. So maybe I know that I want to go into the building trades. I might click on building trades. And then let's say I want to be an automotive technician. I want to go work on cars after I graduate. I click on that button. And then this is what it looks like for each of the different careers. It's going to give you a little bit of an overview at the top, which you can click on to get some more detail. And then I can also listen to text in here. So if I select a part of the text, then I can click on Listen to actually hear it read aloud to me. But besides the overview, once I get below that section, you'll see that each section about each different career has some information about the occupational outlook. That means what is it looking like for people getting hired to do this job in the future. Here's one about small engine mechanics, and I could click on this one. This is a report that's going to tell me a little bit about how much money I can expect to earn and what it's like to work on cars for a living. There's several different articles that you can read here underneath the overview, and you can also have those read to you. There's also a gallery for each career that'll show you some pictures of what it looks like to be doing this career. And there's some more articles down here as well. And this particular one has a section about auto repair then and now, since working on cars these days is a little different than it was back in the old days. A couple other things that you can do with the information on the Proquest website is, let's say that I found an article that I want to keep. I could email it to myself by clicking here. Or I can also click Save to Cloud. And I can send this right to my Google Drive, so I won't be able to lose it. And to do this, all I need to do is click on my email address for my Springdale account. And then that article will be sent right to my Google Drive. But that's a little bit about how you can use Proquest to get some good information for your career project or for any other research projects you'll be doing in your classes this year.